Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vignesh. Here are 3 superb tips for Windows 10. Split screen. Ever struggled with taking notes by watching tutorial videos or e-learning? Split screen feature comes as savior. It can be dragged using mouse to one edge of the screen and we can enjoy 2 applications split equally in 2 and handle both the tasks seamlessly. We can also split the applications into 2 screens by using Windows key and arrow key combination. Here comes another exciting tip, virtual desktop. It is time consuming and inefficient when so many applications are open and switching between recently used ones. By going to task view using Windows key and tab key combination, at the top we can see 3 default virtual desktops. Moving the least used ones to other desktops and categorizing them as well as creating multiple desktops as per our need can help us organize, save time and work in our computer comfortably. We can also navigate to different virtual desktops left and right using Windows key and arrow key combinations. Another exciting tip, Cloud Clipboard. Copying and pasting text, images are essential operations performed in any computer. Copy and switch to another window for pasting is totally fine, but copying multiple times and switching multiple times is a pain. Here comes another savior, Copy Clipboard History. Enable it, copy multiple value at once in one application once. Paste seamlessly into another application as in Forms by accessing Clipboard History using Windows key and letter V combination. Hope these tips will be helpful for your computing needs. Thank you all for watching. Please feel free to provide feedback in the comment section. I'll be right back with exciting videos.